padakamalam. So this verse is very important. Anyat evahur vidyaya. Anyatahur avidyaya. Iti susma dhīranam janastad vichachakshire. Here is one word, iti susruma. Susruma means hard. The word meaning is there. It is hard. In the Vedic disciplic succession, it is never said it is experience. That is a secret of Vedic understanding. No student will see, just like in the material world, they are engaged in research work. They are trying to find out what is the absolute truth, or even in this material world, just like people are now engaged in researching what is there in the moon planet. So, this is material policy, to try to understand things by his own experience. Pratyakha, direct, experimental knowledge. The Vedic understanding is different. It is Shruti. Shruti means to hear from authoritative source. That is real knowledge. Just like I have given many times this example, that if you want to know your father by experimental knowledge, is it possible? Not possible. Then, how to know my father? By hearing from the authority mother. That's all. Simple thing. Similarly, things which are beyond our experimental knowledge, you should not try to understand by your imperfect senses. That is not possible. If you cannot know your material father by experimental knowledge, how you can know the Supreme Father by experimental knowledge? The original Father. The father of the father is born searching Father, and the original Father is Krishna. So if you cannot understand your material father, the next generation, by experimental knowledge, how you can know God or Krishna by experimental knowledge? Can you answer this? Anyone? The people are searching what is God. And searching, when they fail, they say there is no God, I am God. Finished. This is not possible. Here it is said, it is susuma. This is Vedic knowledge. Hard. Susuma, where from? Susuma. From the storekeeper? No. Dhīranam. Susuma iti susuma dhīranam. What is dhīranam? From the sober sect. Not this fanatic sect, but the sober sect, dhīra. Dhīra means whose senses are not agitated by material influence, or Swami or Goswami. He is called dhīra. There are different kinds of agitations. The first agitating agent is the mind. Then another agitating agent is this tongue. Another agitating agent is our speaking power. Vacha vega, krodha vega. The another agitation is when you become angry. When we become angry, we forget. We do any nonsense due to the agitation of anger. When we speak in anger, we speak so many nonsense things. Vacha vega, krodha vegam, manasa vegam, jivha vegam. Jivha vegam, agitation of the jivha, tongue. Don't you see? For the agitation of the tongue, and so many advertisements. Here is this liquor, here is this chicken, here is this beef. What for? To satisfy the agitation of the tongue. Does it mean that without beef, without chicken, without liquor we cannot live? Is it a fact? It is not a fact. For living, we have got so many nice things. God, as Krishna has given Ishavāsamidam Sattvam, for human being, you can take these grains, these fruits, the nice things, the milk. The milk is produced hugely. It is not for the cow itself who is producing the milk. It is for human being. Tena taktena bandhita. That is the allotment. God's allotment is, you Mr. or Miss Cow or Mrs. Cow, although you are producing milk, you cannot drink it. It is for the human. Better animal, not you animal. What you will do by drinking milk? No animal, of course in infant stage every animal living in mother's milk, that is nature. But so far the cow's milk is concerned, that is specifically meant for the human being. So tena taktena gunjita. What is ordained by Krishna or God, you take it. But we have got the agitation of the tongue. Why shall I be satisfied simply taking grains, milk and vegetables and fruit? Let me maintain hundreds of slaughterhouses and kill these animals. After taking their milk, although she becomes my mother, for my tongue agitation, let them be killed. So this is not, you haven't got to hear from such nonsense, but you have to hear from the dhīra, those who have controlled their senses. That is the Goswami or Swami. One who has 6 kinds of control. Control of the mind, control of the tongue, control of anger, control of speaking, control of the genital, and control of the belly. The 6 kinds of agitating agents. The mind, the tongue, the belly, the genital, the speaking. So one who has control over these 6 things, he is called dhīra. Dhīra. Saeva dhīra. Just like in a Kumar Sambhav, there is a nice poetry made by a great poet, Kalidas. It is called Kumar Sambhav. This Kumar Sambhav, we had our prescribed books in our intermediate IA class, Kumar Sambhav. So Kumar Sambhav, the fact of the Kumar Sambhav is that when Parvati suicided herself in the Dukkha Yoga, then Lord Shiva was very angry. He left this world. That's a Dukkha Yoga story you might have heard from Bhagavatam. So he was engaged in meditation. And there was fight between the demons and the demigods. They wanted a very nice general. So it was concluded that with the seminar of Lord Shiva, if a son is born, then he will be able to fight this great fight between the demons. So Lord Shiva was in meditation, completely naked. So this Parvati was sent to worship the Shivalinga, just to agitate him for sex. But he was not agitated. He was still silent. So at that particular instance is given by Kalidas. Here is a dhīra. Dhīra. He is naked. A young girl is worshipping the genital, touching it, is still is not agitated. So that is the example of being dhīra. Dhīra means there may be causes for agitation, but one shall not be agitated. That is called dhīra. In spite of presence of the agent of agitating, just like there is a very nice food stop, but still my tongue should not be agitated. There is a very nice girl or boy, still I shall not be agitated sexually. In this way, when you are able to control the 6 agitating elements, then you become dhīra. Dhīra. Not that here Lord Shiva had no sexual potency, but he was dhīra. That is the example. It's like Krishna danced with so many girls, but there was no sex appetite. That is called dhīra. So, you have to hear from such person, dhīra. Here it is said, iti susuma dhīrana. Dhīrana. Then your knowledge will be perfect. If you hear from adhirana, those who are not controlled, then it is useless knowledge. But here it is in the Vedic version of Ishopanishad, iti susuma dhīrānaṁ je nastat vichachakshire. So, that the student has approached the spiritual master and he says that we have heard like this, now it may be kindly explained. So teacher or the spiritual master is not inventing something. The same old thing, just like the Bhagavad Gita, the old thing is being explained again by Krishna to Arjuna. So we have nothing to research, everything is there. Simply we have to hear from a person who is dhīra, who is not agitated by these 6 kinds of agitating agents. That is the process of Vedic knowledge. Tad vidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadakshanti jnanina tattvadarshana. So, always remember that we have to learn from a person who is dhīra, who has control over these agitating agents. Thank you.